aggressive.
Have some restraint.
That is so abnormal.
Would you listen to Miss Lobster?
Are they heavy? Do you feel like you're pulling them around?
Yeah, they're heavy.
Yeah. For sports, they're heavy. Like when you were playing, were they this big?
Yeah. Yeah. Not like freshman sophomore.
Miss Winkle!
Still.
Miss Winkle, Miss Winkle, I just have to say one thing.
What?
I know that secretly you want to eat me. Love you. Talk to you too. Love lobster. Oh my God, is that a video? Turn it off. I've been thinking about you. I know that you love seafood as well. I saw you eat half my body and my friend. I want to say one thing. It concerns me. Okay. Because as long as you teach with love, that's okay. And now I turn to you. Wow! You know what? I don't like lobster. I stopped eating lobster. I know. And I appreciate the fact that you're not contributing to the downfall of my species. Pierre.